Growing peanuts is surprisingly doable in most warm climates, and it's a fun crop because you don't have to pick them, you dig them up. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I believe in April, I planted these Tennessee Valencia peanuts, and I think they are ready. One of the ways that you can tell that they're ready is that the leaves start to turn yellow, and the plant starts to look as if it's in a little distress, and they produce little yellow flowers. So I've been noticing that here on some of my plants. So what I'm going to do is to pull one up and see what we have. If we have peanuts, then I'm going to go ahead and pull all of them up. We're going to find one that's relatively simple to pull, like this one. And I'm going to grab it from the bottom and pull straight up. And we got no peanuts or anything on that one. Let's try another one. And we got one on that one. Wow, huge earthworm. So on the ones that I've pulled up so far, I've only seen a handful of peanuts. Kind of disappointing. I don't think I'm gonna pull the rest of them up. I'm just gonna leave them and let them go a little bit longer. The 5 or 6 plants that I pulled up, I got a handful of peanuts, and that's not exactly what I'm looking for. So we're gonna continue to let them grow and see what they do. I changed my mind, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pull everything in this bed out and prepare it for fall. So we'll be surprised with what we get. We'll go from there. These surprisingly have more pods or peanuts than the ones I started with, which is good. I may have a better harvest than I anticipated. I'm going to take my hand rake and break up the soil some and remove the drip lines and see if I missed any. So this bed was more fertile than what I thought. I saw a lot of earthworms in the bed, big earthworms at that. So that's interesting because I really didn't do much to this bed or tend to this bed as much as have the other ones. Now, what I did notice with the peanuts is that some of the peanuts opened and started growing other plants. So I don't know if I left them in the ground too long or what, but it's a good thing that I did use the hand rake because I got a lot more peanuts than what initially I just got by pulling up the plant. Now, it's not what I would have wanted. I would have wanted a lot more, but it is a harvest. And what I am going to do with these is just go ahead and roast them. This is one of the ones that mentioned about opening and starting to grow another plant. But overall, my first time growing peanuts, and I think I did pretty good. We can do better, and we definitely are. I think next year or in the future, we're going to grow in a bigger bed, and I think that will help out a lot more. I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this harvest. Off screen, I went ahead and harvested some peppers, some okra, and some black eyed peas. The black eyed peas I'm going to let dry out and then use them for seed next year. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. Should you decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Also, if you're interested in purchasing a t-shirt or a cup or a sticker with my Urban Backyard Container Gardening logo on it, head over to Spreadshop and you can pick it up from there. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.